If you've ever seen a message on WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, or Instagram app saying message can't be displayed and that it's only available in the WhatsApp business app, you're not alone. And it leaves people confused about what the message actually contained and why it isn't visible. Warning: before anything else, you need to understand one important thing. Always follow safe and trusted methods only. Disclaimer: this content does not represent any official partnership or endorsement from the respective platform. It is intended solely for informational purposes. Possible reason. Now let's understand the possible reason behind this issue. This message usually appears when a business account sends a type of content that is may not supported in the regular WhatsApp Messenger, Facebook or Instagram app. These can include interactive messages, buttons, catalogs or automated templates designed specifically for WhatsApp Business API. The standard WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook or Instagram app version does not support these formats, which is why you see the message can't be displayed error. Another possible reason is that your WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, or Instagram app is outdated or the sender used a format that only works within a business interface. In some cases, the message is system generated and designed to be viewed only inside a business dashboard, not in a normal chat. Safe solution. Now here is how you can solve this safely. First, update your WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook or Instagram app from the Play Store, as many issues are fixed with updates. If the message still does not appear, you can install the official WhatsApp business app from the Play Store only and log in with your number to check if the message becomes visible. Another safe option is to ask the sender to resend the same information in simple text or image format so it can be viewed on any device. Most importantly, do not click on unknown links or download files from untrusted sources just to access such messages. By following these steps, you can understand and fix the issue without putting your account at risk.